Smith Micro, we build a lot of software for the wireless industry. What we're known most for is connection management software. And so when you buy a data device from a mobile operator, whether it's a PC card, USB modem, or an embedded device in a netbook or laptop, the software that the carrier branded software that comes with that product is built by Smith Micro in most cases.
And what percent market share do you have today?
We don't actually talk about percentage of market share, but we are the leading provider of connection management software in the industry.
So I've read about SOTA. What is SOTA and what does it do?
SOTA, it stands for Secure On-Device API, and it solves a big problem, we believe, for the industry. And a lot of what we do at Smith Micro is helping carriers launch data products. And they take a collection of products from a variety of different chipset and device manufacturers in the industry. They certify them, they get them on their network, and they launch that. Smith Micro is a critical part of the integration process as we help and ensure that the data devices that the carrier are launching meet carrier requirements before they go out the door. So when we help in the software integration and meeting all the different carrier requirements for things like activation and messaging and the delivery of data. So SOTA is a new API that we're looking to standardize across the industry for data devices. And what this allows us to do is be able to get devices to market 50 to 70% faster, because we're not going to be integrating any more of these proprietary APIs and SDKs from different companies that are launching data products. We're bringing a standard to the market, and we'll speed those devices through the certification process of the carriers.
So can you expand a little bit on why you felt it was important for you to create your own API?
Okay.
And then secondly, what are some of the challenges that come along with having your own API?
Okay. Yeah, there's a number of carriers that have also done their own APIs, but generally those are specific to a carrier, and then a device OEM would need to come along and implement that API and then implement something different to launch that device on a different carrier network. And other companies have tried to standardize a set of APIs, but it's generally been either chipset specific or platform specific. For example, Microsoft has a Windows Mobile Broadband API in Windows 7, but that only helps manufacturers and carriers launch products on Windows. And this is a much more diverse world, a lot more different clients out there, a lot more different operating systems. And it's the right time in order to bring a consistent API to the industry to help this diverse world that we're now in.
How did your experience and market position with Connection Manager help you with the launch of this API? And then more importantly, how will that experience help in the adoption of this API?
Okay. Well, Smith Micro has been doing software for the wireless industry since 2000, and we've been specializing in this particular area ever since then. And so we've been seeing all the different problems that occur from the software side, from the network side, from the device side, and all the different hiccups that can happen throughout that launch process. And so we're in the right part of the ecosystem to help everyone, bring everyone together to have agreement on a set of APIs. And so what we're doing here at the show is we're starting to announce what we call a SOTA Innovator Program and partners to this Innovator Program. And we just released this morning a set of 9 partners, and these partners are chipset, software companies, and carriers that believe that SOTA is going to solve their problems for launching data devices.